Hi everybody, I'm Nancy G. Baker. Today I want to share with you about meal prep and food prep. Now I do it different from other people. On YouTube I see where they cook every week and prep stuff, they put it in the refrigerator, and that doesn't work for me. There are several reasons it doesn't work, and I'm going to share that with you and show you how I've modified it so it does work. The first reason it doesn't work for me is you have to be consistent. You have to do it every weekend. If you miss one weekend and you don't have your containers in the refrigerator, then you lose momentum. You feel like you started a routine and then you get interrupted. So for me, I want consistency, and the way I do it, you can have consistency. The third reason this doesn't work for me is you have to store all these in individual containers. You put them in your refrigerator, and if you have a family, it's going to take up your whole refrigerator. I remember growing up, we had a lot of food stored, but we couldn't find anything. So I decided I would not do that. I have mine organized. I've got liquids, condiments, and of course, fruit and vegetables come in and go out. I either eat them or freeze them. And same thing with meat. I buy it when I'm going to cook it, and I get it in the freezer as soon as possible. So I don't store a lot of stuff in there. It's not leftovers. I don't want food going bad. So that's part of my food prep, which I'll show you in a bit. The last thing I do is I try to cook my meat in advance, but not necessarily my vegetables. You can usually cook vegetables pretty quickly. And let's face it, vegetables and fruits have a lot of nutrition in them. If we can eat them in their raw state, we're going to get the most benefit. If we cook them, we're going to lose about 50% of the nutrition. And if we heat them up in the microwave, 97%. If you're like me, I may cook them once, so I'm losing at least half. And then if I have them again, I put them in the microwave. So I'm basically pulling all the nutrients out of them. It's still a healthier option than some other things I might do, but raw vegetables and just cooking them once is the best idea. So that's why I try to cook meat in advance and do vegetables on the fly as I need them. With that said, I'm going to go in my freezer and show you some of the things I've cooked. These are a few, let's see. The way to do this successfully is to make sure you have containers that are easy to find with lids that are easy to find. I did buy all of these at the same time, so they all stack real nice. The lids are in there. And the other thing I do is I've gotten so I will cook and freeze. Like I said, I don't like leftovers, so I may eat one or two times and then I go ahead and put it in the freezer. I label it. This is chili, and this is from February of this year. But it says chili. This is tomato basil soup. And then this is a big container of pork roast. So this one is good. A lot of times I like these little ones. They are going to thaw quicker, and I don't like committing to stuff. If something this big, I may not want to eat all this, but pork roast, I know that is a meal that usually we will eat 2 days in a row, so that's good. So those are just a few things I have in the freezer, but I will cook in batches, and I will freeze stuff so that when I want something different, I just look and see, what do I have? Do I want chili? Do I want pork roast? I did say something about losing the nutrients, but if I have this tomato basil soup, I can put a salad with it. And honestly, when I make this, I like it, but it makes a whole lot. So I like having this in the freezer where I can pull it out for a quick meal. I hope this video helped you. And if you want more information on what I do with food prep, make sure you watch this next video. Thanks for watching.